Okay, a lot of people want me to talk about EFSH. This is my first video about it. I am going to talk about what I think about it, where do I think it's a buy, and where do I look for price to come back up to it. So this is EFSH, and as you can see, this is looking rather good, right? We had this reverse split, 1 for 15. It's not like a 1 for 100, not something outrageous. I love to give stocks, always wait till stocks, when they had this reverse split, give them time. And as you can see right in here, we started consolidating, right? But let me show you guys something very interesting. Of course, we're not at this green band here. That's really where I like to alert all my favorite plays. Since we're not at this, this is for me and my Discord alerts. I don't want to just, alert this, but I can see that this is due for this EMA 5 now. But as you can see, it's going to come down as time goes. But let's see what the risk versus reward is. If it goes up tomorrow to this EMA 5, you go up 71%. So this is massive, 73%, massive gain. So that's not a bad target. I always say, it doesn't even have to hit that. Take those 10% gains and then keep rinsing, repeating it, wait till it makes a new low and keep buying it. But the reason this is going to hit the EMA 5, I had no doubt, usually when you do have a big drop like this, you see like this is 61% drop, you get your dead cat bounce around the 1 or 2 day. Well, here's your dead cat bounce. It went 36%, went up a little more than that. I mean, this was a low of $5 to 10. It's like almost 100% gain on this dead cat. And then we just kept going down. That's all you needed. On these big drops, that's all you get is the dead cat. I hate trading the dead cat bounce because it could happen on the first day, it could happen on the second day. And if it don't happen usually in the first or second, then usually it's just a continuation down. So it's very risky. So as you can see, we touched the EMA 5 to a T right in here. The algos know this is an important level. And then you can see also the EMA 20 is the top EMA. And that's an exponential moving average. I like it better than the regular, SMA. I like this because it reacts to price the best. It's the fastest. So as you can see here, we haven't touched the EMA 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This, I'm telling you guys, is extreme. This is what I look for extreme. Usually on a normal market, if we have a gradual drops, anything that'll touch this EMA 5 and 7 daily candles is long. This is a penny stock. And then you also have to wonder too, like, okay, well, we're also not at this lower band. You see how the indicators lag? The EMA 5 is trying to come back to what the algos think the price is going to be. That's where it's going to pump to. It's going to pump to that 5, and it's going to get rejected. And you better get out of this stock if it gets rejected at the EMA 5. So as you can see, this is trying to come back up. This is a negative number, so it's lagging. It's going to eventually take a long time to come back up here. So as you see, every day it's going up. So I do think this is a very nice buy. I don't see anything wrong with this. And here's the big thing I like about this play here. If you look at this KDJ, a lot of these plays and the profits that I like to get, they had these KDJs around the 1 area. This is a 1.02K on the KDJ. And if you guys don't know this indicator here, this will never go to 0. It's impossible. It never will. Usually when it gets literally under 3, it's extremely oversold. But obviously with this big gaps down we had and then a reverse split, a lot of people like to buy these RS. I don't know why. You need to give them time. You need to give it at least 5 daily candles, about a week's, because a lot of times you just need this to die out. This could have kept going down and down and down. So this didn't have to consolidate like this. You would have got literally wrecked, and I can show you numerous stocks that done that where they had their RS and it just kept going down. This is very bullish in my opinion. You have a nice consolidation now. If you waited that 5 daily candles, you get in on that consolidation instead of trying to catch a falling knife without no system, right? Obviously, this is, just going down repeatedly, but you can see what you want to get is these little reversions of mean. Look at this nice little pump here. I mean, from this low to here was 111% gain. Nice gain here. But that's just your dead cat. I would not have bought it there. I would have bought it Well, me personally, I'm buying my stocks at this green band here. But if it does have something extreme like this TD here, I might consider this stock. I mean, not touching the EMA 5, what was it? 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 daily candles. That is really long. It's down 14%. The low is 38 cents. You can see after hours, we're right there at this low here. We have a nice support here at this low. It's trying to break it. It keeps going up, up, up. I think this will break and go to a new low, in my opinion, judging based on one of the tricks that I learned with this system. When you see that the EMA 5 has a little too much gain like this, I mean, this is a 74% gain. Usually it tries to come down a little more, right? Anybody that bought this and be like, yeah, I can make massive money if it goes to the EMA 5, and you can see like a 300% return if it touches the EMA 5. Market makers are probably not going to do that, to be honest with you. They're stingy, they're greedy, they have algos that work to their control. So we want to make sure, okay, this is definitely extreme. This is not bad, but you can kind of see we are... this is the daily. We broke this low. Do we go a little lower for a couple more daily candles? We will see. But it doesn't look too bad, right? Prices kind of settled down. I also like to look at volume. Do we have volume? Yes, there is demand for this. It's not just going down, on low volume. There is bulls and bears into this stock here. So the big thing here is the KDJ is at 1.02. This can go up really big. I don't see why you can't get 10% again on this. And I told that in my Discord when someone asked what I think about it when the K was extremely low at these low here's. This was at, I think, below 1. And you can see this bounce here went from here to here was a 70% gain. I was like, yeah, this could absolutely go up. And then it refreshes it. Once it goes down, the K goes back down again. But you don't see these as big moves, but this is a 22% here. I mean, this qualifies for my system to keep making bank. So keep this one on your alerts. I think this is a big gain. I mean, 17 daily candles, not hitting the EMA 5. That is pretty long. I'm trying to think of one that's maybe the longest was way back. Maybe CTNT. I just want to really go quick here on these big drops that are touching this green band. I like to look for that. So as you can see, big drops like this, right? For CTNT, they had this massive drop. It wasn't even touching EMA 5 here, so we have one candle here. But as you can see, it takes a long time for this EMA 5 to come back to it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is when it touched it. So EFSH does lead the charge. That was one of the longest I've seen. EFSH is looking pretty good. And like I said, what I do like is the EMA 5 has 74% gain to go to it. Obviously, I would like to see tomorrow see what it goes to, 80 cents to 66. I think it's going to come down a little more. So wait for tomorrow. And then a nice little key thing I want to show you guys, look at the smaller time frames. This will give you nicer entries. I always like to buy end of day though, but you can see on the smaller time frames how we are respected in a way. But always buy end of the day. If you guys are in my Discord, you guys know exactly why I buy end of the day, because that's where usually the sellers die out. And then I love to trade these small caps pre-market and after hours. Those are your biggest moves you get. If you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. And in the description, there's a link that'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to be a member, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here, and that will give you access to swing trades and day trades for only $12 a month. And if you subscribe on your computer, it is a flat rate fee, and it gets rid of the iOS fee. And if you have an Android, just do it on your computer, because they're having problems with Android. And then once you subscribe on your computer or your phone's browser, you can just do it through Google. You'll have access to all this too. But it's a very good thing. You can read about the testimonies, how lots of people have made lots of money doing this exact strategy and have made bank. But as long as you follow the rules, watch all the swing trading education videos, definitely watch how to accumulate my reversals. Watch this video on how to get your chart to look like mine. And I am going to upload some more new education videos this weekend, but as you can see, here's all the day trading education videos. But basically, this is the best video if you're watching how to find bottom reversals. this is how I like to do it. This right here is how you get low risk setups, how to accumulate properly, and what is your targets. We know we're not greedy. We're trying to get 10%. We're always trying to get 10%. We know price has to go back to the CMA5. So we want to give it major time distance. If one, you're not touching this lower band here. And then two, if you have a big drop like this, you got to understand indicators lag. So it's going to take a long time for the EMA5 to eventually get hit. You got to give this way longer than 7 daily candles, sometimes to the extreme, like, double that, and then you just kind of eye it out. But like, okay, there's lots of room to this EMA5. It's probably not going to touch this EMA5 anytime soon till it gets really close like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join, I'm always there for you. I'll be in the premium chat. I also do live streams once you join the service. You can follow me on my live streams. I'll go over some trades, day trades, swing trades. But it's like I said, it's only $12 a month for the Day and Swing Trading Plus. Everybody in gold has the highest members, like this guy. He is labeled in gold, and they have access to everything. Hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this or have suggestions, let me know in the comment section. But give this video a like, subscribe, comment. I'll keep you guys updated.